Hey everyone, so I'm super excited for this. This just came today. I didn't think it was supposed to come for a few days. I think it gets actually released on the 11th, but for some reason I got mine today. Today's, I think, the 7th. This is the brand new Galaxy Tab S9 Plus. Super excited for this. I love my S7 Plus so much I skipped over the S8 Plus. So we're going to try this one out. So I will be trading in my S7 Plus though for this to get this quite a bit cheaper. I will come back to that beautiful beast in just a moment here. So you still of course get the S Pen. Let's see what's all in here. I think this is just gonna be paperwork in this little bag. Oh nope, that's not paperwork. USB-C to USB-C. This will be paperwork, and then your SIM, whatever. No, I think it says a SIM. Alright, let's get into what we're all here for. If I can get it open. Alright, here we go. So this looks very similar to the S7 Plus or the S8 Plus, of course. Looking around here, we do have our keyboard adapter right there. We do have two speakers. One's right there, one's right there. I do have a mic. Top here has, I guess that's... Alright, so that is for the micro SD. I was for some reason thinking it did not have that. Then we have volume rocker, and then a power button right there. And then the other side here we'll have our USB Type-C, and then two more speakers as well. So I know the S7 Plus sounds really good. I'm sure this will as well. And then we do have a camera right here as well. Then on the back here, just a hair. It is powered by AKG. We do have, looks like, two different cameras along with an LED and then a spot for your S Pen. Then real fast, this is the S7 Plus, this is the new S9 Plus. So they look very similar. So this is a little bit more flat. These are more bulging out. This is all kind of one piece. This is a couple pieces there. Otherwise, they do look extremely similar. Mine has 54% charge. Let's go ahead and turn this beast on, and then we'll do a quick setup here. But I'll let you guys know right now, I will not be signing into Google at this moment because it will mess up the video. Alright, so of course we get a welcome. We can use the S Pen. I'm going to because it's there. So we pretty much have to agree to all of these, I do believe. Otherwise you probably cannot use the device. I'll go into Wi-Fi network. You can set it up using a different device if you want to. That's going to be the easiest way if you have another device to set it up with, such as a Samsung phone or a different tablet. Then I'll ask you if you want to, again, copy apps and data. Again, you can do this from another device. I'm not going to do it right now, because that will take a little bit of time for it to do. Of course, transferring over all of your data. Next, I asked to sign into Google. I'm actually going to go ahead and do this. Then once you're signed in here, it'll ask for Google services, basic device backup. I usually don't keep that on location. I personally do. Scanning, I turn off. And usage and diagnostic data, I do keep on. Then it'll ask if you want to use any of these types of protection. So face recognition, fingerprint, PIN, password, or pattern. Next, you can set up a G if you want to do that. Then I'll have you sign into your Samsung account if you want to do that. Next, I'll ask you about Samsung services. So I cannot say the word, service. Let's see, I'm gonna turn that one off. Customization services. We'll keep that on. Nearby device scanning. We'll turn that off. Again, you can keep yours on or turn them off if you want. That's smart suggestions. We'll keep that one on. Light or dark mode. If you do choose dark mode, it should help the battery a little bit, but I mean, sure, this thing will be amazing anyway. Then we're all set up. And there we go. And then of course, if you copied from another device, you should have all of your apps and whatnot, and you'll probably have to update them or whatever. So we do have some other things here. A little bit of bloatware. You have like Netflix. Most people will probably keep that anyway. Spotify. Then you have a bunch of Samsung stuff. Do me a bunch of Samsung stuff, as well as Google stuff, Microsoft stuff, more Samsung stuff, and let's go on into settings real fast. Get off of that. Come on down here. The wrong one. So this is the 512 gigabyte version, and I have 454 gigabytes of that 512 free, so I used up 57.5 gigs, which is quite a bit of gigs. Of course, we should be able to free up some space. Next, let's try out these speakers very quick, then we'll end this video. So speakers are up all the way. Again, it has the 4 speakers and royalty-free YouTube.
That I own and know I'm letting go. I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you...
So of course it sounds really good. It's nice and loud, and it just sounds amazing. Alright guys, stay tuned. I'll be doing a crazy amount of videos on this, doing different comparisons. We're doing some gaming tests. Yeah, I'm super excited about this tablet. I'm so happy it came early. Thank you all for watching. Stay tuned for more videos to come. As always, I really do appreciate you. Hope you have a good one. I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.